There's a couple of things that people have to deal with when they first come into the frontline supervisory role. They've generally been promoted because they're very good at the job that they do, but the job that they do is not necessarily leading people. Well, that makes it often difficult for people to make that adjustment from being somebody's friend and peer to being now the manager or the supervisor.
Leadership is more about persuasion. It is more about having your team behind you versus, let's say, doing things for you. That's managing. We're focusing on the dynamics of people, the dynamics of groups, dynamics of difficult situations that a frontline supervisor might encounter. If they know how to deal with it in class, hopefully they can take those skills and apply them in the workplace.
One of the unique features of this program, in fact, is that it is so workshop-based. We may have a one-page or a 2-minute video set up, but we'll also have actors in the class that are playing the roles of typical employees, typical problems you're going to face. We give people the skills. We teach them the skills, the capabilities. What do you need to do to be a good manager? Having conversations, dealing with people. What would you actually say? How would you actually do it? And we're going to do that every single time we get together over the 4 module blocks in the program.
Prior to the role play, we give them tools, for example, communication tools. We'll give them tools with respect to recognizing different learning styles. It's about knowing yourself, and your personal makeup, your limitations, and how you would articulate a message appropriately to your team.
And after the first week's learning, people have a chance to reflect on that, go back to work, use the skills and the lessons that they've learned that week, and then we'll come back and we'll do the next building block the second week, the third week, the fourth week. By the end, when you come away, you've had a month of training, really, not just 4 days.